These smoked meatballs were delicious and addicting. Take a pound of ground beef and ground pork, mix it together with some panko, shredded cheese, your favorite rub, your parsley, some onions, some W sauce, and then crack an egg in there. Mix it all together and form 1-inch balls in a cast iron skillet. 250 on the grill for 45 minutes. Then make your sauce with some grape jelly, simmer it, and then drizzle it all over those meatballs. Cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until it hits 165. My friends, amazing treat. Follow for more. Cheers. Yes!